In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Aweber to Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so by the end, your Clickfunnels account will be fully connected to Aweber and ready to collect leads into your email lists automatically. I'll explain what you're clicking on and why it matters, so you're not just following instructions, but actually understanding what's happening. Let's start from inside your Clickfunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option called Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings. This is where you control all the global settings for your account, including integrations, payment gateways, and more. After the Workspace Settings page loads, you'll see a menu of different options. From that menu, click on Integrations. This is the section where Clickfunnels allows you to connect to different third-party tools, like email marketing services, webinar platforms, and other apps you might be using in your online business. Once you're on the Integrations page, you'll see a list of supported email marketing services. Take a moment to scroll through that list and look for Aweber. The services might be listed alphabetically or grouped by category, so just scan carefully until you find Aweber in the list. When you see Aweber, click on it to select it. This tells Clickfunnels that this is the email service you want to connect. After you've clicked Aweber, you should see a button that says Connect, or something very similar like Authorize or Add Integration. Click that button to start the connection process. At this point, Clickfunnels will redirect you to Aweber's login page in a new window or tab. This is completely normal, and it's how the two platforms connect securely. On that page, log in to your Aweber account using your usual details. Make sure you're signing into the correct Aweber account, especially if you manage more than one. After you log in, Aweber will show you a screen asking if you want to allow Clickfunnels to access your Aweber account. This is where you grant permission for Clickfunnels to add subscribers to your lists and pull in your existing lists. Carefully review the permissions, then follow the prompts to authorize Clickfunnels. Once you accept and confirm, the authorization process will complete. You'll be redirected back to Clickfunnels, and your Aweber integration will now be active and ready to use in your funnels.